So today we are going over phylogenetic trees by using an example of the different types of fruits. A phylogenetic tree is a diagram that represents evolutionary relationships among organisms. We start by separating our fruits into their edibility for humans. So we have typically edible and typically inedible as our first branching categories. This splitting of one lineage into two is known as cladogenesis. From cladogenesis, we have our first outgroup, which is mahogany trees. An outgroup is one individual that has the most OTUs or differences between the other fruits. The outgroup is also an example of an anagenesis. Anagenesis is the process of evolution within a lineage over time. This phylogenetic tree is a rooted tree because it has at least one outgroup. The longer branches in the tree represent fruits with the greatest amount of OTUs, while the shorter branches within the tree represent the smallest amount of OTUs. The typically edible category then branches into fleshy and dry fruit categories. Dry then splits into categories of legumes and nuts, while fleshy branches into categories of drupes and berries. On the dry side, the category nuts branch into the foods hazelnuts and chestnuts, which have the shortest lines, meaning the OTUs, or differences, are the smallest. The same actions happen with legumes, drupes, and berries. Now the little black dots in between the branches are internal nodes, also known as common ancestors. So if we look at the fleshy and dry categories, the most recent node, or most recent common ancestor, is the typically edible category. And here is our phylogenetic tree.